What's up guys? Today we're going to show you how to download a free auto clicker. It's this is the website you have to go. If you're too lazy to type, it's pinned in my description down below from the it's just in the description. After you're done downloading, you have to press this and then you'll see the auto clicker download. After it's done, press it and it'll lead to your file. It will just be in your downloads. After it's done downloading, you will have this. It'll just pop up quickly after you click the file over here, right? You can do it to 1 milliseconds and you can do things like it's F6. If you don't want to change it, it's F6. If you want to change it, press this. You can press anything to F1 to F12. Oh no, you can't do F12. And if you want to see how good is the auto clicker, just test this. It's 1%, it's 1 millisecond. If I press F1, this is how fast it goes. Go. Really fast, really good. High speed. If you're playing like a game that requires clicking a lot in PC, this is what you very need. Because it's really fast though. And if it's really good for clicking games like these two games called Click Race, Mega Clickers, any game that it's really have the advantage to click. This is when it got last downloads this week and last update reviews are good. And I hope you enjoyed this video of this auto clicker. Really fun and fast and really and I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and the link is down below the description. Thank you for watching, and Yamaka out. Peace.